Three states of matter are solid, liquid, and a gas. A solid has a well-defined shape. The molecules of the solid are locked firmly in place. Its volume can change subtly under some conditions, such as temperature changes. But solids are generally thought of as incompressible. Liquids have no definite shape. Molecules are free to move about, but the molecules do stay close to each other. Liquids will take the shape of the container that they're in, and they're also described as nearly incompressible. A gas, on the other hand, has no definite shape. It can take the shape of the container that it's in. The particles have high kinetic energy. And the difference between liquids and gases is that gases are highly compressible, meaning their volumes can change under applied pressure. This section is primarily about fluids. Fluids are collections of particles held together by molecular forces and also forces exerted by container walls. Intermolecular forces in a fluid are not strong enough to lock the molecules in place in a lattice like they would be for a solid. However, liquids molecules will stay close together. This is different from a gas because a gas's particles can generally be 10 times farther apart than a liquid's particles would be.